Okay, cool. Well, I don't remember where I was last time, so let's just fucking go for it. Continue. We didn't finish episode 1. We're still on episode 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5.
This is the one.
What? Oh, yeah, okay, I remember. I'm right here.
Where's this symbol from? Which family or story?
That's an odd one. Family name?
It's, the donkey's ass.
I'll go look it up.
I wonder if she knows Shrek. If she does, that'd be cool.
Donkey skin.
Oh,
Yes. What does it say?
I'm so sad. She was so
Donkey skin,
cute.
also known as donkey skin.
Huh?
Also known
Askin.
as- Ass skin. First
Oh, sorry.
the name Faith.
Oh, I can pause it. Sweet.
Don't need the commentary.
Oh, sorry.
The story of Donkey Skin.
There once was a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen will marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom.
After a long
After-
search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was
His daughter,
Faith.
Faith. Fucking
A
creepy.
magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty.
Aw,
They lived happily ever after.
that's only slightly depressing.
Should I mock it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please.
Aw. Aw.
And what's her husband's name?
So many emotions.
Prince Lawrence.
Okay, let's go fuck with Prince Lawrence. Not fuck Prince Lawrence, but fuck
Got
with
what we
him.
came for.
Yeah.
Her name's Faith. She was married to Prince Lawrence.
Okay, come on.
More than with.
Was Faith.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Dick.
We should talk to the husband.
Yeah, we should. Let's go. Let's go back to the magic mirror. No. We have to nullify him. Or notify. Nullify. The fuck? True. True. Holy shit, what am I going? I already looked in there. Let's go back to the magic mirror, if I may. Wherever the fuck that is. I already looked at those. There we go. Oh, let's use it with the tarot card? I don't know what the fuck that was.
This means
Tarot is a backwards art. I wouldn't put too much stock in its wisdom, baby.
not when it's so helpful.
Prevision's muddy. I'm clear as a window.
God, you're a dick, Bigby. Let's try that again. Let's, talk to you now.
Blah, blah,
Blah, blah, blah, blah, blah, blah,
this
blah.
fable.
Pass.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
That was so great. That was the best rhyme I've ever heard in my life. Faith's father, Faith. Let's learn about Faith. Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
Huh.
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing. It's
That's the
simply
same thing she said. Interesting. Let's go with Faith's
Show me
father.
Faith's father. The old king.
Oh. Jeez.
That crosses him off the suspect list.
Okay then. Prince Lawrence.
Prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence. What's he
Wow.
doing?
They are all dead.
Where is this?
Or maybe
Where's
he's
what?
not dead.
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Sweet.
Red
Okay,
flag.
let's go there.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Huh. I don't know. Okay, done.
Nobody right now.
Anything we can
Grazie.
use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on. We're going over there.
Fucking telephone.
Sorry. I have to get that. Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby, it's for you.
Oh, gross. Who the fuck wants to talk to me? Oh, Toad. It's Toad. Hi, Toad. What do you want?
Big shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, big boy. Hang on.
What is it?
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think you can wait.
Should go
Come
there
on.
Anyway, to search her apartment. Toad might have to wait.
No.
Whenever you're ready.
I think I'm gonna go with Toad. Let's, go. Oh, how gentlemanly like. Maybe. Oh, how gentlemanly like. I ship them too. God, I ship everyone. I could probably play a game with like a turtle and like some really weird bird and I'd ship. Wait. Never mind. I already have. Oh, wait, no. I wrote a story on my phone a long time ago.
Was it the woodsman?
Who was it? Sorry. Computer, why?
I don't know. It's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
Big shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's
You
things.
think he did it? What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince
Wait, I can actually decide. And I'm not torn between seven. Let's go with Toad. I mean, that guy looked like he was already fucked, so
We can check in on Prince Lawrence.
I don't think he's gonna be moving anytime soon.
Okay. I'm not looking forward to breaking the news to him anyway.
What news? Oh, no, yeah, to Prince Lawrence. I thought they were talking about Toad. I'm not really sure what node they would have to break to Toad, but yeah. Why is my computer being so laggy? What the hell? The Woodsman's apartment. South Bronx.
And we ended up going out the window, and I landed on Toad's car.
Ha! He's explaining it to her. Nice. Okay.
You guys made a real mess.
Yeah, we did.
Looks worse in the day.
Oh, it does. Damn. Good thing he's short as fuck. He can still drive it. Hey, Toad, is
Hey.
that you? Oh, it's a fat guy.
Wait here.
Go. Go with the fat guy. Damn, fat boy got speed.
Shit.
Really? Where the fuck is he gonna go? Okay, so he's still in there.
I'm sorry.
That's enough, all right? Just shut it.
Oh, I am gonna fucking kill you.
I don't even remember half of this shit.
Asshole.
Probably get that fixed.
Oh, yeah. God, you're so nice, Bigby. Oh my god, fuck off. Go. To the door. To the door, to the wall? I don't know. I want to be super nice to the kid, but the father's a dick. Like, mega dick. Ooh, let's go downstairs. Ah, damn it, didn't let me.
That his son?
Toads?
Yeah.
Think.
Be nice in there, okay?
His father's a prick. His father can go die. Let's talk to
Hey,
first.
Toad. You in there?
That's fine.
Bigby! And Miss White! Surely you didn't come all this way just for my bother?
We did. You called?
Sorry, Bigby. It's embarrassing to have to admit, but I thought there was someone else in Woody's place. There wasn't, though. Not when I checked. Nothing but a leaky drain pipe. Imagination must have got the best of me.
Lying
So,
fuckface.
false alarm. Sorry for dragging Miss White into this.
There was someone, but they took off when we got here.
Is that right? I guess your dad's ears have a year or two left. Haven't gone totally to the dogs, eh?
You will after I'm done with you. Aww, he's adorable.
Are you alright?
He's fine, Miss White. Just stung his little toe. Better swimmer than Walker, just like his dad.
Those are the biggest toes I've ever seen. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on.
Lana.
So, I guess you'll be taking off now. I mean, I'm sorry you came all the way in.
Somebody was in your building.
But it was nothing, really.
Someone was here, and something's going on.
Yeah,
This trip wasn't
your
a
kid's
waste of
crying.
time. I'm gonna look around a bit before we leave, okay?
Yeah, so stop being a
The longer you
bitch.
talk, the longer this takes. So just stand over there and shut
All
up.
right. I just don't want to waste your time, is all.
That's
Have a
right.
seat. Have a cup of tea. Whatever you like.
Shut the hell up. I don't like you.
Grown-ups. Am I right?
Aw.
Hey, you know
What's
what?
wrong with you?
Flycatcher said you had a pretty awesome insect collection. I'd really love to see it. Is it in your room?
It has a weevil.
The guy from Yu-Gi-Oh? Nice.
Just mind the upholstery while you're looking for nothing.
Yeah, sure thing.
Dude, like straight up dick. What's this?
Now this happened.
Fucking hell. Damn thing must
I
have-
discovered something. Woo!
The lamp just fell off the table.
All the boy was faffing about, playing songs and songs.
He was faffing about.
Knows with the lad.
This guy is so British, it's awesome. But he's also a dick, so I don't like him.
The lock's busted too. This place is falling apart.
Eh?
The lock. It looks like somebody kicked in the door.
Oh, for Christ's sakes, a fucking lock's been busted for weeks, mate. Right, it's just like everything else in this bloody building.
Wow, you got some anger issues, don't you? That look. Oh my god. Fuck off, Toad. I'm gonna look around. Nah, let's let Snow be. She's enjoying herself. What's this? Is that blood on the wall? Do frogs have
Just
red
white
blood?
blood. Not mold or anything.
You bleeding?
Why? Is that...
It's blood. Still fresh.
Oh,
No.
well, I cut me hand. Ran around like a tit trying to pick out a rap. Must have got some on the furnishments.
Sounds painful.
Oi, don't you go mother-henning now. The wound
Hmm.
didn't sit very long, you know. Perks have been a fable, I suppose. And a frog.
And the frog? Shut the hell up, frog. I don't believe anything you're saying. Talk to Snow. Dust ring. No. Oh, what is this? What is this? Fireplace poker. I want to poke the fireplace. It's got blood on it
Blood
too?
over here.
On the poker?
Yeah. What happened?
Oh, well,
You know what, man?
that's-
You have a
that's
shitty
how it
poker
happened,
face.
didn't it?
I don't believe you.
I was poking the coals and it slipped a bit. Sliced up in my foot like a seashell. Looked like a shit ugly thing.
Damn,
If
dude,
you
you're
gotta
worse at
say
lying than I
something,
am.
out with it.
I thought you cut your
You
hand.
dropped it on your foot? You told me before that you cut your hand.
Yeah, no, I did cut my hand. I cut my hand first, and that
You're
made me drop the
fucking
damn thing on my
bitch.
foot. Ruinous flip of events, really.
Yeah. Flip of events. Whatever the fuck that means.
Oh my God, will you not make a big faff out of this? There's nothing to solve here, Sheriff. I'm telling you everything that happened. Why don't you believe me? I mean, things happen, you know.
This
I think
apartment's
somebody
a
was
goddamn
attacked.
Mess, Toad. Looks like after a struggle or a fight, and I don't know why you cover for it, but I know you're lying about
Child
it.
abuse.
I'm not.
And you're just gonna make it worse for yourself the longer you keep up the act.
I'm not bullshitting you. Honest.
We'll see.
Maybe I'll have to use it on you, fucking toad. Okay, oh, it's a window. Oh, window. Open, let's open it, yeah. The fuck are these?
What is it now? If it's blood, you know what happened.
No, there's marks here on the windowsill. And what's that about?
No real reason. Just last night when I'd come out, I was in a downright dizzy, mate, as you would be.
You were drunk as
I
fuck.
got the keys to this place. And I had to climb in through the bloody window.
Really?
Scared
I don't
Junior
believe
half to
you.
death.
I agree.
You heard the new Shakin' Stevens album yet?
Nice diversion.
Bloody hell. What sinister bit have you uncovered this time? The tap water running,
You don't have-
didn't
my name's
stop the
Junior.
recycling? What's the point of all this, mate? Really?
Junior was home. Why didn't he let you in?
It was the middle of a sodding night, Bigby. I'm supposed to wake him because his jammy daddy didn't remember to check his pockets.
Yeah. Nah, bullshit. That's bullshit. He didn't talk his way out of anything. What are you hiding there?
Place needs a bit of dusting, I suppose.
Look around. I want to check out that, this thing right here.
There's a mark over here, too.
What do you mean?
There's a clean space in the dust over here.
Ah, maybe one of Junior's toys or something. I mean, who knows?
Ow! I pricked myself. Oh my god, the lamp goes right there. How do toys make this mark? The broken lamp was here. Oh,
What
this
kind
one.
of toy was it?
Lord, if I know, Bigby, he has so many worthless baubles. Bigby, come on, I'm begging for mercy
bobblehead?
over here, old boy. I was looking forward to a nice afternoon.
Bullshit.
Me and my son, and you've taken up enough of a day with all this sniffing around at me private belongings. I'm sorry I called, really I am. But will you please,
Just bugger off.
Bugger off.
God. No, I
Not
hate you.
yet. No one fought anyone, Bigby. There wasn't any scrap. So when? When are you gonna leave? I mean, I feel like I'm on trial here. In my own bloody home. It's not seemly.
I'm not gonna say anything. You lied.
Toad, these stories have made no sense. You didn't cut yourself on the poker. You want to tell me what's going on?
She doesn't think much of me, I don't think.
Oh, I wouldn't necessarily say that. Progress?
Just a bunch of bullshit. Oh!
Mr.
Oh.
Toad, you're bleeding.
That's right.
Take off the hat.
It was that butcher, a Tweedle, Dum or D. You got to strip them down to their johnnies before you can tell which is which. He come bulging in, screaming about something the woodsman had. Or thought he had, I don't know. He tore up the place, beat me up when I said I didn't have it. I tried to go out the window, but he pulled me back in. It's been a hard morning, I can tell you that.
What was he looking
Do you
for?
know what he was looking for?
I have no idea. I would have told you. I wanted to, really, I did. But he said if word of this ever got back to him, if he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy. I even tried to give the bastard a coat. He wouldn't take it.
Whose coat?
The girl.
Dad borrows things from people who live here. Sometimes.
Borrows. I don't steal nothing. Turn around here would astonish you, mate. I merely repossess what's been left behind.
Well, we'll be taking the coat. now.
Nice.
If she has next of kin, family, anyone.
All right. Fetch him the fur.
It's the donkey fur.
What address it is?
And it's in the fireplace. Wow.
No, I wouldn't wear it outside. Wait.
Oh, it's got a note. What's it say? Take it. It's a note, not a mysterious object.
Fucking hell, of course there is. For my luck, it's a map to some bloody doubloons.
It's addressed to Prince Lawrence. Do you want to try and give it to him, or?
I want to open it.
Make it a dilemma.
Shut the fuck up, Toad. No, I'm not paying attention to you anymore.
Just open it.
Shut up. God, I hate you. Okay, I'll listen to you.
Doesn't seem right opening another man's mail. Let's try and give it to him.
Okay.
Well, it's been quite a surprise.
I didn't
today
because
for
I
all
don't
the
like
taxes.
invading people's
I've
privacy.
seen you out, but I'm
It's
afraid
terrible.
of dripping any more blood in the place.
You know, everything could have been avoided if you just told us from the beginning, asshole.
It was very nice talking to you, TJ.
Thanks. See ya.
Aww. He's so cute.
Does it always go that smoothly?
Not often.
So the
Nice.
princes now?
Yes,
Lawrence's. Yeah.
let's go.
The best lead.
Our only lead, really.
And then, well, we have Tweedledee and Tweedledum now. Or, well, whichever one it is. Hey! It's, the evil guys from fucking, The Last of Us. No, not The Last of Us, The Outlast. Hopefully this time they don't try and kill me.
I don't want to stay here any longer than we have to, so let's just pick an approach and stick to it, okay? Just
Cute and adorable. Let's focus on what we saw in the window. We need to question Lawrence. It's... Fuck!
let's
Ugh.
just keep our focus on questioning Lawrence.
Oh,
Where
okay.
she
It's
was,
probably the
who
one I
she
was gonna go
with,
for anyways.
That sort of thing.
Okay, cool. KK. Let's get the fuck in there. God, mail. Get out of my way. I can't go any further this way. Open door. Let's look at it first. No, it's open.
Don't just peep into someone's house. Check if he's home.
Nah, fuck it. Walk in. Okay, so I guess it smells bad. Oh, and he's dead. All their family is dead. Good to know.
Oh my god.
You're gonna be okay.
Hey, you're gonna be okay. Just
No! No.
Let me go. Like, let you die? Holy shit, there's a hole in his head. Wah! Wah!
Big
Water.
water. Kitchen.
Hagwa! Where the fuck is the kitchen? Oh, There we go. This way. Get out of my way, bookshelf. You. Pay the rent next week. Pizza in the fridge. Don't look for me. Goodbye,
Did you find
F.
it yet?
Okay, who's F? Faith? Nice. God, you're a fucking detective, Isaac. Good job.
If you have something to ask him, you should do it now.
Who did this to you?
Did this to you?
No! That's bullshit. Why would she do that to you? She's been dead. Ew. So gross.
Do you still have that letter?
Yeah.
Yes.
I guess we can read it anyways.
Should I open it?
Yes, 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 yes,
sure
yes,
if it's
yes,
right.
yes, yes.
You should. It might be something that helps us. A clue. A lead.
I need to know.
What does it say?
I'm sorry. Faith.
Wow, it was fucking useful. Jesus.
It's only 2 words. But he died without seeing them. I'm sorry.
Damn
too.
it. God. Really? I should have opened it before. Fuck.
We need to figure out what happened here and find whoever did this.
Asshole. Okay, I'm gonna take a break here.